going to show you how we engrave an AR15 lower. And here you go. This is the finished product. We engraved it for about an hour. We went ahead and cut that out just so you didn't get bored here watching an hour-long video of the laser engraving the same thing over and over again. This was a custom logo provided by a customer, so we can do this for you guys. Just give us a call, let us know, shoot us an email. We usually get these turned around pretty quick. Thanks again, and look to us for all your engraving needs.